Good morning, dear children. Very happy to see you all. Our today's topic being environment, let us begin with a famous quote said by Mahatma Gandhi. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Children, we get everything we need from the Mother Earth, that is our environment. In our first lesson, our environment, we are going to study things in our surrounding and difference between living and non-living things. Also, how things in the environment depend on each other. So, children, open your textbooks or e-books, keep a pencil and a notebook with you.
Children, I hope you are eager to study this new subject, and I am sure that you will enjoy studying it. So let's start with our first lesson, our environment. Children, we use many things in our day-to-day life to fulfill our needs. Look at the picture on your screen. You can see many objects along with fruit and vegetables. Children, do you know what materials are they made from? They are made with wood, soil, glass and cotton. Where do we find these materials? We get this material from our environment. Again, we get fruit and vegetables from the plants which are part of our environment. Now, observe the picture on your screen. There are many things in our surrounding. There are stones, rocks and soil. There are rivers, streams and lakes. There are hills and mountains. There are houses, roads and barren lands. There are animals and birds too. These all form our environment. Trees and climbers make our environment beautiful. We too are a part of this environment. So, trees, birds, rivers, mountains, buildings, and we people too are part of our environment. Children, again observe the screen. Can you notice any difference between a stone and a sparrow? Let me tell you. A stone remains where it is. Its place changes only if someone picks it up and moves it. Have you ever seen a stone growing? No. The stone doesn't eat, so it doesn't grow bigger. It doesn't have babies either. But it's not the same with sparrows. They build nests. They move here and there on their own. They eat insects and grains. That is why they grow. They lay eggs in nests. Little sparrows hatch from these eggs. Sparrows take a lot of care of their young ones. Children, why do we see these differences between the sparrow and the stone? Because the sparrow is a living thing and a stone is a non-living thing. Things in our surrounding form two groups, living things and non-living things. Living things are of two kinds, plants and animals. Animals have babies and seedlings grow from seeds. The seedlings then grow into plants. This tells us that plants are living things. plants do move. For example, when a bird blooms into a flower, its petals open. But movements of plants are not so easily seen. Plants also need food. Of course, plants do not move from place to place like animals do. Their roots hold them down in one place. This is a big difference between plants and animals. We will continue the remaining part of the lesson in our next video.